back, my little fat boys. Me and my buddy Black Cloud, we are taking a nice ride out at night. He got a new 360 camera and he wants to take it for a little test ride, see how it handles, see how it looks. So we're doing that. Maybe stop and get something to eat. So he ended up getting the name Black Cloud from one of our friends at Palm Beach Harley Davidson. He ended up getting the name because it always seems like whenever anyone is around Black Cloud, shit goes down. There's been times when motorcycles have broken down, people have cut themselves, other cars have gotten into accidents around us. We've had so many close calls, and not by us doing anything, just by cars deciding to do some stupid shit. We finally decided to give him the name Black Cloud, as shit just always seems to go down with him.
Hold it. It's just vibrating so much.
It should be perfectly fine. Like you'll look at the footage and it's nothing. You won't even tell it's moving. I ended up making a video for Black Cloud just to get some more practice of video making, have some fun, and if you want to see that, I'll actually link that up in the corner right here, and go ahead and give that a click. Give me your thoughts and impressions. Hopefully you like it. He rides a 2020 Harley Davidson Street Glide 107 and he loves it. The guy is a retired military veteran because of medical issues, and he's on 100% disability. He can't work or anything. So most of the time, he's just always home and always wanting to go on rides. So he wanted to get the Harley so he could be comfortable and be able to just go all around the country on it and just be comfortable. And he just loves it. My gas light is on. Lost my audio. That would have been no bueno. No bueno mas. Did it scare you?
No, I just saw it. And it just started coming towards me.
Oh, come on, I want to make the light. Damn it! I was trying to make it.
What I'm thinking is slide it more towards me and have it like right here. Because the wing goes up. Anyone here can get it. Right there.
Coming up to a bridge. Means it's time to wake up the trolls. Where are you thinking about going?
Huh?
Where are you thinking about going?
I thought you were taking me somewhere. What?
Okay. Let's see if I can think of a good place to take Black Cloud to eat. We'll take Black Cloud on out to Barrel of Monks. I just need gas. I got a brewery that also has a food truck there, and the food truck's really fucking good. That was weird and unexpected.
Be right with you guys.
Well, I didn't have any more after this space, so I used it. Gorilla. Bad idea.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.